Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful house that is back on the market. This well appointed, spacious, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, single level home with a powder room is located in the well sought after community of Olive Park, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The property boasts a 2-car garage with automatic doors and a camera system. The property spans over 2,500 square feet and has low maintenance front lawn. The master bedroom boasts a walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom with a shower and jacuzzi tub. The secondary bedroom consists of an ensuite bathroom, while the other 2 bedrooms has a shared bathroom, equipped with a gorgeous kitchen, clad with modern granite countertops, cabinetry, and a beautiful island. Some other features include breakfast area, living and dining rooms, laundry area with storage, patio, water tank, and heater. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.